Maintaining a robust Wi-Fi network is an ongoing challenge. Requirements evolve, usage patterns shift, and new security threats emerge. Without proper maintenance, a once high-performing network can quickly become a bottleneck and liability. Treat your Wi-Fi network like a living entity, requiring constant care. Reactive management leads to frustration and security risks. Instead, adopt a proactive approach to continuously monitor, optimize, and fortify your network. The Wi-Fi lifecycle involves continuous optimization. Usage patterns change, new applications emerge, and interference sources develop. Regular troubleshooting and security audits are essential to maintain peak wireless performance and extend your network's lifecycle. Security is paramount. Implement robust measures to safeguard against threats like rogue access points. Encryption strength and management frame protection are critical to reducing hacking risks and ensuring your network remains secure. Eventually, networks reach their limits. Strategic upgrades or redesigns support next-generation standards and increase demands. By embracing continuous adaptation, your Wi-Fi network remains a high-performing, secure, and future-ready asset, driving organizational success.